Hello everyone, welcome to TechTwins Technology. I am Rahul and today I am going to introduce you about Deno. Like what is Deno? Okay, let's start. What is Deno? Deno, a secure runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript. Deno is a simple, modernate and secure runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript that use V8 and it built in Rust and Toki. It was created by Ryan Dale, originally creator of Node.js, and is focused and productivity. It was announced by Dell in 2018 during his talk 10 things I regret about Node.js. I have mentioned this link in description. You can go and watch the video. Secure by default. No files, no network or environment access unless explicitly enabled. Okay, now we will talk about Deno feature. Like what features have Deno? It created by the person who started Node.js. It directly addresses shortcoming in Node.js. Securely by default, no file, network or environment access. Yes, by default, Deno block all the access. Support TypeScript and JavaScript. The best part of Deno is it will also support TypeScript. Shipping only a single executable file. You can execute a single file also in Deno. So it's off to a good start. But let's look some of the technology behind it and see the matters. Okay, now we will talk about powers of Deno, like what powers have Deno have and why Deno is more powerful than Node.js. Basically, Deno run on three pillars. First one is version 8 JavaScript engine, second one is Rust, and third one is Toki. Version 8 is a Google's high performance JavaScript and web assembly engine. Node.js and Chrome use it. And second one is Rust. Rust is a system programming language that is fast. It has no runtime or no garbage collector. It primarily focus on performance and memory safety. Toki. Third one is Toki. Toki is runtime for Rust. It's an event-driven platform for building fast and secure applications. So that why Deno is more faster, lightweight and safe from Node.js. So why something new? Well, JavaScript has changed a bit since 2009. Development, performance and feature have changed. In this amount of time, Node.js has done its best to keep us up. Perhaps starting over fresh is better approach. According to Dell, here are something design issue he has found in Node.js. First one is security issue. Second one is legacy API. Third one, the module system and its distribution. But Deno covers all these issues. If you are worked with Node.js for any amount of time, you know about NPM and it's quicker. Personally, I think it's not a too bad. It could certainly be improved. It usually a certain responsibility module npmjs.com which has its share of issue. Deno module can be host anywhere. Security is Deno's best part. TypeScript, like Deno also work on TypeScript. That is best part for Deno. Personally, I think that Deno is more powerful or more secure than Node.js. The biggest upside. Deno promise performance and safety. That's great benefit. Like safety and performance is best part and very required part of any developer. But the most promise lies in the development yeah, or developer experience. It aims to make your life easier. Here's how you can use. It has ES6, the best TypeScript, very good for developers. Remote repositories Deno has more functionality also like test with Deno, format your code, debug, compile and debug, bundle. Uh, you can cool. These are great, but you can also develop your application with secure mode uh, in TypeScript. TypeScript is very useful for developer. Okay, now final words from me about Dano is going to shake things up in future. Like it's going to bring security, performance, less developer pain. You can make application more secure, more accessible. Like uh, there's a lot of potential here. Deno also promise built-in tooling. It include type scripting, web standards, protection from APIs, vulnerable APIs and all. The future is bright for Deno, and I can't wait to dig in and build things with it. It look very promising. So thank you so much for watching the video. This is Rahul from Tech Twins Technology. Bye bye from my side. You can also connect with me on my LinkedIn. Link is in description below. Go and check it out. Thank you so much.